Tennant's T12 Compact Rider Scrubber increases cleaning productivity by utilizing innovative product features and chemical-free ECH2O technology. And by using ECH2O technology, a single tank of water lasts up to 3 times longer. Less refilling means more time spent cleaning. Clean floors from edge to edge with the available scrubbing side brush. Reduce the need to sweep before scrubbing with large diameter cylindrical brushes that enhance cleaning performance. Equipping the T12 with optional features will make cleaning operations even more productive. A vacuum wand attachment for quick and convenient wet cleanups. Clean in hard-to-reach areas with a spray hose that also works for machine cleanup and tank cleanout. Tennant's T12 delivers big productivity and a compact, maneuverable rider scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.